What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Once again, XO Sheba here, and if you're new, hello and welcome to the XO Squad. Today's video is a wig review, and this is a cute little angle bob from Bobbi Boss. This is Tiah, and we're going to get into all the details right now. And by the way, this is a collab with Top Natural, so once you finish watching my video, you can head over to her channel and check out her video. Her thoughts and opinions on the wig, because it might be different than my thoughts and opinion on the wig. So yeah, let's get into the video now though.
This the way that we rock. I'm from the bottom, so I aim for the top. And you crazy in the mind if you think I'ma stop. And I'm young, black, and living, still dreaming a lot.
So first things first, this cap is tiny, y'all. Y'all see how this fits? This is definitely small head friendly. It is not covering my whole head. The wind bet not blow while I'm wearing this, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's that type of small cap going on. I am not using the combs because I have the cap like glued down. I did the ball cap method for another wig, so I couldn't put any combs in, and I'm not using any adjustable straps, and it is very snug, guys. So it's not uncomfortable, like it doesn't hurt my head, but it is very snug, as y'all saw. So that is one thing on that. The density is great though. It's very nice, natural density, especially for a bob. It's not gonna sit too high up on your head. It looks normal. It does have two combs in the front, one in the back, and then it does have the adjustable straps, but you know, it's a small cap, so you might want to use the combs to keep it from sliding off of you or anything like that. But other than that, you really don't need to adjust anything because it's tiny. It's gonna fit. It's gonna be snug on your head, trust me. No tangling or shedding so far. It is synthetic, so I expect that through time, you know, you will experience some tangling. I doubt you'll really experience any shedding outside of like when the ends get old and you start, you know how that goes if you wear synthetic wigs. But yeah, I don't see any shedding issues or tingling issues right now, but that's always good. Like with synthetic bobs, you know, it's not rubbing up against too much in a bob, so you should be good to go. I went with the lighter brown than my natural brown just because I know a lot of y'all have been asking me for lighter browns because some of y'all have lighter brown hair than I do. And you know, it's a review for you guys, so let me give y'all what y'all looking for. So that's why I went with a lighter brown this time. It had to grow on me. It was a lot different at first because y'all know me. I like a little, I love a 1B, okay? I just do. But yeah, I went ahead and did a lighter brown for those that have lighter brown hair. I believe the actual name of the color is /3427. And, well, the name is Tiah, y'all know that. But that is this exact color. And this is what it looks like on the mannequin. Well, that's the actual person. What am I talking about? But yeah, this is what it looks like on the stock card. In person, it's a little bit browner than I thought. Like, this is a darker brown. The color to me is just a bit more vibrant in real life, as far as like boldness and stuff goes, than it is on the stock card. On the stock card, it looks like it would be a lighter, sandier brown, but in person, it's like a darker, brassy brown. So yeah, just forewarning on that, what it looks like on pictures versus what you get in person. That might work for some, not for others, but just making that clear. And then what else? The parting space, I did have to pluck the parting space. It is so narrow, guys. You're gonna have to pluck to get some space, and I just added some concealer and plucked a little bit of baby hair, just a little bit. And that's all I had to do for this. It didn't really take much to style and get on. That's why I love bobs, because they're quick and easy to do. I just love the bobs, especially from Bobbi Boss. They always come with the bobs. So yeah, I think this is a cute work unit. Something you can take to the office, you know, your 9-to-5 wig, you know, you can still take it out with you later, and you know, whatever you're gonna do. Like, it could be upscale or it could be a work wig because it's not really rubbing up against anything, so it'll still last if you wear it to work. So I definitely really like this unit. I really don't have any complaints about it at all. So if you would like to purchase, I will link it down below in the description box for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to check out Top Natural's video so you can see her thoughts on this unit. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.